Guys, what better way to start the night off than with this one?
I can't think of a better match to kick the night off, Michael. In fact, we haven't even gotten started yet, and I can assure you that this will be a tough match to follow.
Legendary Lita is here.
And her opponent. First, from Stanford, North Carolina, Lita.
The four-time WWE Women's Champion is here. Talk about a woman who's made so much history here in WWE.
Remember when she was the first female, along with Hall of Famer Trish Stratus, to main event Monday Night Raw?
And she was such an important part of the Hardy Boys, Team Extreme.
And from Gómez Palacio, Durango, Mexico, Eli Omega.
Sounds to me, guys, like this crowd is ready to get this night started.
They're not the only ones, Cole. It seems to me that these superstars want nothing more than to get their hands on one another.
Byron, time to put your hair up and square up. Oh, you don't have any hair, but you get the point.
And from Chemung, New Jersey, Sonya Deville.
Byron, I would love to see you interview Sonya Deville so she could punch you right in the mouth.
I wouldn't enjoy that at all.
Sonya Deville is as bad as they come.
Disciplined, driven. In fact, the day that Sonya Deville graduated high school, she packed up her car, drove down to South Florida, and began training full-time in mixed martial arts.
This is it, guys. Fatal four-way action is now underway.
You have to wonder where these four competitors are mentally right now, heading into what will undoubtedly be an intense battle.
Oh, man, what a leg drop.
Boom, what impact.
Oh, nasty impact.
Uh-oh. Neckbreaker. What a stomp.
Good grief.
Up for the crucifix.
Harsh impact.
And a pin attempt.
Things starting to go the other way for her.
Very curious move to go for a pinfall at this point.
Wow.
Nailed it. Boom! What a stomp.
Good grief.
A backbreaker.
She's taking on some offense here. When she agreed to this match, she knew this wasn't going to be easy.
Well, she's looked good up until now. She just has to make sure not to absorb too much punishment here if she wants to get back into this thing.
Looks like she wants to beat her inside the ring. Setting him up with a leg sweep.
Nicely done.
She's able to turn it on in a flash.
Uh-oh. Twist of fate. Incredible.
The shoulders are down. The pin's broken up. Lita has a big opportunity here.
Inverted DDT.
Beginning to look bad for her here. She doesn't appear too concerned, however.
This is either a blip on the radar or
She shows signs of life.
she's showing a lot more than that.
Look at her go.
And Lita reverses it. And Lita reverses it.
Hurricanrana, Dios mío.
She is just so dominant.
She goes for the cover. This might be it.
Oh, my.
Oof. Oh, high impact. What a stomp.
Good grief.
Boom, right in the button.
Lita got out of there in time.
Clothesline.
Oh, that'll leave a mark.
Boom. Uh-oh.
You gotta believe this one's over.
And she's trying to flip the script here.
Easier said than done, Michael.
You can see the confidence just beaming from her right now.
Some good technique right there.
Look at the look in her eyes. She's in the zone now.
She's able to turn it on in a flash.
Here she comes on the counter.
We'll see if she can turn things around. She is on fire.
She's able to get out of the way there.
Russian leg sweep.
Seems like Lita in some trouble here.
And she's got 3 sets of eyes on her, which makes this match incredibly challenging.
Up until now, this match had all the makings of a good old-fashioned blowout.
When she gets in attack mode, look out.
Using the elbow as a weapon. She's in full control now. Look out here. A knee drop. She's got her.
Oh, man, right across the chest.
And it's reversed.
Ooh, that's how you dominate your opponent.
He's got him where he wants him, buddy. Power.
Beautiful technique. Now, she just needs to finish her off.
Not so fast. She breaks it.
Yeah, but it's got to just be a matter of time before she gets picked off here.
I think she's trying to prove a point here.
Boom, what impact. Uh-oh, this doesn't look good, Byron.
Yeah, this might be it. Oh, my. Man, she knows how to make a comeback. Can that beat Sonya Deville?
Going all the way up.
Look at this.
Look at Sonya Deville. Spear! And she drops her.
That was about as in your face as it gets.
This can go a variety of different ways, Corey.
And almost none of them are good.
And Sonya Deville says, not this time.
She's licking her chops.
We've seen this before.
Oh man, she's rolling now.
Oh man, what a hit.
Knocked right off the apron.
Nailed it. Oh, sit-out slam.
Look at her go.
Lita got out of there in time.
We're looking at complete domination here.
Oh, nasty impact.
That should do it.
Definitely got it all that time.
Bringing it back into the ring. And she's back in the ring now. Lita thinking it's time to go for the win.
Harsh impact. This one is over. Can that beat Sonya Deville?
Corey, check this out.
Yeah, that was amazing.
She wants to do this in the ring. Electric chair into the face buster. Now with complete control.
The slam!
She's in control. She's in full control now. This could mean trouble. She's in control. And she turns it around on her. Oh, what's it gonna be? Hatch, suplex. Oh! Back in from the floor. Lita's in serious trouble. Is there anything that can be done to get back to being a threat? She's not careful. There's a very real chance she loses this fatal four-way match.
She may be in over her head here, guys. I mean, she's taken quite a beating so far in this fatal four-way.
Ooh, nice snap DDT.
She might have it.
Now it's time to capitalize.
Oh, the old head scissor. This could do it. And they kick out at 2.
The size of this girl's heart is simply immeasurable.
She's able to turn it on in a flash.
Uh-oh. Twist of fate.
This one's over, guys.
Is that enough for the win? Eludes that one. She wants to finish this. Ooh, what impact. No, reverses it.
She is on fire.
Oh, and she gets out of the way. Big move coming.
Wait for it.
Oh, plants her.
That's it. That's what she needed.
That's exactly what Lita needed.
And here's a cover.
1, 2, 3.
Yes! Takes it! That match is worth another look. Here we go.
I'm not easily impressed, but even I thought that match was one of the best I've seen in a while. That's what I love about the WWE, a match that lives up to expectations, but still finds a way to surprise us. Good stuff.
Here is your winner, Lita.
And that's a win to start off the night.
Yeah, the performance put forth in that match tells me we're looking at somebody who will someday, very soon, be competing in the main event.
And it sounds like the crowd is still digesting what they just saw. These 4 competitors.